Hi Draw So Cuties! Today we're going to draw Cookie Swirl C's logo, so let's get started. To draw this cute cookie, we're going to first start by drawing a very bumpy circle. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to try my best to just kind of follow all the little bumps that's on the original logo. But don't worry if it's not exactly the same. Our goal is basically just to draw a bumpy circle. So I'm just going to come down, just trying to catch all the little bumps that are in the original logo. So I'm just gonna start building. And I just have to remember that I want to make it a circle as much as possible. So as I draw all these little bumps, just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna start to come out a little bit more. So it's a little bit easier if you just draw both sides. And just slowly build your circle. So just adding little bumps here and there, and I'm still keeping in mind to create a circle. And let's see, this is a little bump right here. And we're going to come in and finally connect it. There. So we got our bumpy cookie in. Now to bring it to life. So I'm going to come in the center area and draw a very big circle for the eyes. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger than the original. So I can put my Draw So Cute eyes in here. Okay, so I got one. Let's come right across towards the edge. There, so two big circles in, and let's give it a huge highlight. I'm just going to draw a very big circle in here, and then a smaller one, and a curved line at the bottom. So I'm obviously adding my Draw So Cute eyes to it. If you like the original Cookie Swirl C eye, it's just one big highlight. So just play around with it and see which one you like. And thank you once again for going on my community page and helping me figure out what to draw for Cookie Swirl C. I wasn't sure if you guys were telling me to draw the person or the logo, and now I know, so thank you for choosing the logo, which was a lot easier to draw. Okay, so I've got the eyes in here, and let's do the same thing on this side. Okay, finally, huge circle, right? Okay, so then let's come in the center right here, and we're gonna draw the mouth. So about right here, I'm just gonna give myself a point for the center of this mouth, and I'm going to flare it out with a curve that comes up on both sides. And then just come in here and thicken it up a little bit. There. And then now to draw all the, well, let's come down here first. I forgot. Come down here, and we're going to draw an oval for the cheeks. So I'm just going to lightly add an oval right here and about right here for the cheeks. And then now for all the chocolate chip chocolate chips. So I'm going to basically follow all the chocolate chips that's on the original logo. So I'm just going to come here and draw bunch of ovals and circles. So some are going to be small and some big. There, so I basically got all the chocolate chips, and I'm basically just gonna come right here and just thicken this outside line. It's an original logo that has a thick outline, and then we'll be done. And then just go ahead and color it in that light brown for this yummy chocolate chip cookie. So there, we're all done with this cute little Cookie Swirl C logo. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.